Hello everyone, so in today's video I'm going to show you an amazing Shopify offer you can get by clicking the exclusive link below. You can get a free trial plus the first month for only $1, which is a 90% saving off the usual monthly fee. Just click the link in the description to start enjoying this deal immediately. So I'm going to explain how it works, how you can follow the step by step so you can get this amazing offer from Shopify. First, you should click only link that I've attached on the description below, and then after that enter your email for the free trial. Secondly, you may need to fill out a form on the special page, but it doesn't necessary for the first time. The most important thing that you click the right link and then you enter your email. Choosing a plan is essential for starting your Shopify business smoothly. Upon creating your account, select a plan immediately to avoid interruptions. Shopify offers three main plans. The first one is Basic Shopify that the original cost is $19. The next plan is Shopify for $49. And lastly, there is Advanced Shopify that is costed $299. But since you are watching this video, you can get one of these three plans for only $1 for a month by clicking the link in the description. Other platforms offer advanced features at a higher price. Shopify offers a trial at just $1 to test if it's the right platform for you. So make sure you click the right link that I have attached on the description. Basic Shopify plan is ideal for small businesses aiming for an extensive online store. The plan offers unlimited items and multi-channel selling. It includes everything in Basics plus performance features. Shopify offers plans for business of all sizes. Basic plan is good for beginners with essential features. Advanced plan is suitable for large businesses with high sales volume and additional features. So, claim the special Shopify deal. Use the link in the description to claim the special deal. If you have any question, leave them in the comment section. I think that's pretty much for it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.